Let us solve this question. As you can see, we were solving this question in the previous video. 2020 internal, for the internal candidates, those that write at the end of the year. That's what I mean by internal. By the way, I misspelled internal completely because of this loud music that you are hearing in the background. It pisses me off, So this is internal, okay? A weird writing of internal. So for the grade 9, and this is the exam that they wrote, question 3A of paper 2. So in the same paper 2, we are going to answer a different question, because it turns out that in paper 2 we are presented with 2 questions about number bases. We have already attempted the one for multiplication, as you saw just a couple of seconds ago, but now we are going to do this question. Let me just write it real quick. Okay, bear with me please with this noise that is happening. Hopefully YouTube doesn't detect the song and makes it harder for you or impossible to download this video because of the music and all those copyright issues. But yeah, anyway, we're doing this. We're gonna make this video, otherwise it will take me months to just come up with videos for this channel if I consider these musics that are playing here with my horrible grammar musics. Imagine that. Anyway, let us answer this question. It carries 2 marks, as you can see. So here we go. This is the question that we are going to answer. So let us begin by answering. This is not 100, by the way. We are operating in base 2. We are advanced now. We are operating in base 2. We're speaking computer language now here. So this is no longer read as 100. This is 100. Okay, and this is 10100. Let us divide the numbers. What is 100 into 1? It cannot go in there. What is 100 into 10? It also cannot go in there. What of 100 into 101? It can go there. How many times? Once. So we indicate a 1 like so. Then we multiply. What is 1 times 100? It's the same number, because we know that any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So we're going to say 0, 0, 1. By the way, I prefer that you write numbers from right to left in this case, so that you don't make a mistake like so. So what are we going to get when we subtract these numbers? What is 101 minus 100? So let us begin. 1 minus 0 is 1. We indicate a 1 like so. What is 0 minus 0? It is 0. What is 1 minus 1 is 0. So there is no need of writing zeros here. So what we should do next is divide this 100 into 1. Jesus Christ, oh my God, these people are loud. You know what I mean? I need a booth. I need a booth in the coming years. Only God knows. I mean, I'm gonna be like locked in a box when I'm making YouTube videos, because I cannot stand this noise, this background noise. Trust me, I cannot stand noise like this. So what is anyway? Bear with me. Sometimes I just get annoyed. Like only learners know what I'm talking about. At least the students that I teach. So what we should do is divide this 100 into this 1. So it cannot go into there. So what should we do? I'm gonna try to slow down here, because I feel like I'm going really, really fast. We drop down a digit. If we see to our right side here, we have 1, 2 digits. So we have to drop down a digit when we notice that this number, which is 100, cannot go into 1. So we're going to drop it like so. Then we try again. What is 100 into 10? It cannot go in there, because clearly this is a small number that we are dividing this number into. So we have to indicate a what? A 0, because it cannot divide in there. So we add a 0. Then we multiply. What is 0 times 100? It's going to be a 0, because we know that any number multiplied by 0 is a 0. So then we subtract. What is 0 minus 0? It's 0. 1 minus 0, it's 1. So now let us try again. What is 100 into 10? cannot go in there. So what should we do? We should see if we have any number left here at our right side. Yes, we have a number which is 0. So we drop it down like so. We add a 0. Then we ask ourselves a question one more time. What is 100 into 100? It's going to be 1. So indicate a 1. Then we multiply. What is 1 times 100? It's going to be 100. Then we subtract here. Immediately, when there are no longer digits here to drop down and we have ended up with 0, we can stop our calculations here. So therefore, this top number here is our answer. So we're going to say the answer is 101 base what? Base 2. I prefer writing 2 in letters than in numbers so that it doesn't confuse with the original number, especially if you write them the same size. So therefore, my friend, this is a rather interesting video because you have seen how annoyed I can be, and at the same time you have learned so much, and you are on your way to passing if you're a student. And this has just been an amazing video, honestly speaking, and I'll do my best to minimize the noise. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, I highly, what can I say? I implore you to subscribe because you are missing out on very interesting stuff here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification icon so that you never miss, my friend, any of our future videos. Until next time, see you very soon, and have a nice day.